Hello friends, I am Neha Beniwal. I hope you all are good. Today I am going to discuss about PTE Academic and PTE Core. So some students don't know the differences between PTE Academic and PTE Core. Today video is not too long, so stay with me till the end. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If we will talking about speaking module, there is written lecture which is replaced by respond to a situation, and in writing module there is write essay which is replaced by write email, and reading module is as same as in PTE Academic, and in listening there is highlight correct summary which is removed. These all are the differences between PTE Academic and PTE Core. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and subscribe the channel for more updates and more knowledge.